Hello friends, welcome to the ASP.NET Core tutorials. In this video, we will discuss how a controller find a view, or we will see, we can say, what is the view discovery in ASP.NET Core application. So in the previous videos, we have seen about the controller, we have seen about the models, and even we have seen what is the view and how we create view. So before proceeding with this video, I recommend you please watch previous video to understand better about the views. So like when we create a controller and with respect to that controller, when we create a view and when we run the application, so basically how we go to that particular view, we go to the URL and then we write that controller name and then particular action method name, and that action method name is basically find that respective view in the respective folder. So what is the view discovery? So when we run an application and it return a view from the action method, then the view discovery comes in picture. A view discovery in ASP.NET Core determine which view will be used for the particular action method. So by default, the application will look for view file at the following location. In the sense, like when we write a particular controller name and then that particular controller name go for the view. So it go for the view folder, and from that view folder it go to that particular controller name folder, and from there it go to the action method name. That action method name is similar to the view name, and in that way it go. Or if it not find in there, then it find into the shared folder. So shared folder is nothing but like in the shared folder we keep all the view which is shared among all the views. For an example, like I want to create a one template, an application, and that particular template I want to use like in every view. So for that kind of things, we put that particular view into the shared folder. So we will understand about this shared folder in the coming videos, like how we create a master page or shared like view in the ASP.NET Core application. So now what is the view discovery? So in view engine is basically responsible for the view discovery in ASP.NET Core application. By default, the ASP.NET Core web application uses the Razor View engine that we have seen in the previous videos. Now let's go to the Visual Studio, and in this Visual Studio what we have the home controller, and under that home controller we have the index action method. So how it find a view? So what it do, it go to the first view folder, and inside that view folder it find that controller name, and what is the controller name is the home, and inside that home we have the index, like whatever the action method we are having, it find that particular index view, and from there, like if we have already created that particular view here, so how we can go, we can just go to the view, and when we click on the go to the view, we can see this is the view is created, and we have written here this is the home index method, and we have one button here. So once we run that application, we can see that respective view we can see here. So this is the way we view discovery works in ASP.NET Core application. And in the coming video we will see like how many overloaded method we have for the view. For an example, like when we see that particular view, we can see there are 4 overloaded method. One is empty, another is the which accept the model, and another one is the accept view name, and next is the view name with the model. So these all 4 like overloaded view we will see in the coming video. So in this video we have seen how a controller find a view, or we can say how view discovery works in ASP.NET Core application. So that's it for this video. If you have any question and doubt, please comment. Thank you.